We just came back down there. And we're going down here. Just didn't want to hurt ourselves while recording, so we had to stop recording while going down. Anyway, going down, pretty fun. The only fun part is when you slip and hurt yourself. But we should be fine. Going down here, hoping to find another creature to show you guys. Yeah. So we're going down here. Oh no, go down here. Up here. So look in these little waterways, and there's usually some eel.
There could be
snakes swimming, and yeah, and water dragons also. So we're gonna go around this way. It's easier. I think it is. Should be. But anyway.
This way is not sneaky. Like, there is moss, but it's not wet moss. Because wet moss is slippery. Dry moss. A bit easier, but still.
As you can tell, there's not as much water. That's because it hasn't been raining today. Today hasn't been raining, so there's not much water.
The other day it was pouring.
The other day, before we went, it was pouring. Chose the right time so we didn't get rained on, but yeah. So we're going down here. As you can tell, we have made it back to this part, and we're gonna go up here. Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go this way.
Then we're going back down. We'll go this way. I'll find my brother, because obviously he's the smart one. I'm the dumb one here, so don't expect the unexpected.
Just check. I was just checking before if there was any snakes to show you guys, but we wouldn't get close.
So
We don't know much about snakes.
well, we do, but we don't know how to
Handle them.
Probably best option to go up here, through the trees, and then back down.
Middle of the journey. But you know, it's for the boys. Everything's for the boys. That's how we build our company. The boys.
The boys. Yeah. Made it back up to this spot. Possibly a dragon lizard up there. There was one here. If you want to see, if you.
It's there, he is. He's
Where?
going back. I saw him.
But if you want to see it, go check out my brother's channel. Put that in the description. And yeah.
But still, I definitely saw the dragon lizard right
Yeah.
just here on the right.
On the right, apparently
Right in the bush.
in the bush,
Should be there.
should be here according to my brother.
A bit more.
The water dragon. Can't see him. Oh yeah, there he is. He's on top of those leaves. See him? I don't want to get too close because there's snakes under there, but you can see him as far as I can. He's resting on those leaves up there, thinking he's the king,
Maybe
which
you'll
he,
get a bigger.
which he doesn't know that I'm the king. But anyway, we gotta go. So say goodbye.
Get some better. If I can see him, he looks like a king.
Simba. Anyway, don't want to slip, so I might have to hand the GoPro to my brother. And never mind, I won't. But still I won't. Well, he's up there.
He's just
There's our friend up there. We gotta go. So go down here. Hopefully we can see more creatures, even cooler ones.
This is the cool part. He's barely even done anything.
Yeah. So we're going down here, and it's looking around for more creatures to film for you, but we can't find any. So don't think there is any right now. Maybe when there's more rain, there'll be more water and there'll be more eels. And like
Because after it was falling day, we saw quite a big eel.
might be one in, might be something in there. Let's see.
If you saw anything, because we didn't see, it has better rain on the boat,
Yeah.
but there's an outline.
But let's see coming up there every time. So I'll hand the GoPro to my brother, drop down, and then he'll pass it back to me when I get over here. Made it this far. Bit of rubbish. And then, okay, GoPro's back to me. So we're going over here. And then we're hoping to find another creature. Can't seem to find any. So hopefully next time we can adventure further up if our dad lets us. We usually would, but sad we can't today. So under there could be an eel.
Guys, this is where we saw the eel the other day.
On the other video, if you want to go check that out. I did post it, so you can go check it out. There's that vape again. If you want a vape, come here and come get one. I'll leave it there for you.
If you want to say the location, you have to try and find it.
Well,
Talking.
Look.
That's the one else.
look, another vape right here.
No, that's right.
Another one. If you like blue or yellow more, there's one blue and one yellow. So if you want to come get a vape, probably go. But yeah. Making our way down here. Haven't seen really too much this episode, but we might come back later. So yeah. See those palm trees down there? They're off here and then they get swept down into the ocean. There's somebody here. Oh, this could fit me. Let's see. Ooh, bit too small. My brother's a smaller size. He might be able to fit it. But, yeah, well, as long as it fits me. As long as it fits him, he'll wear that. Hopefully. Little ball there. Get it sorted. So right here. All the seaweed. Anyway, I think we're going to end the episode here and maybe come for another adventure a bit later in the day or some other day. Maybe even next weekend or next week on like Friday.